Cleaning made simple. You can manage your own cleaning schedule and switch cleaning modes. There are 4 vacuum modes with different levels of suction power to meet various cleaning needs. You can also monitor your robot status at home through the app. Dust stays out of sight for up to 70 days with 4 liters extra large sealed disposable dust bags. You can easily swap out the dust bag in seconds when it's full with a system notification. Smart systematic navigation guides RV10 Plus to organize a neat zigzag route for higher cleaning efficiency and fewer omissions compared to a random path robot vacuum. Vacuuming sucks up floating dust and mopping tackles sticky messes. Mopping is essential for homes with hard floors that needs regular polishing. With an electric pump, RV10 Plus provides 3 water flows to suit different floor types with consistent and steady water pressure. Equipped with a 2600 mAh long-lasting battery, Tapo RV10 Plus provides 3 hours of continuous cleaning with every full charge. The robot returns to the charging dock automatically when the battery gets low and then restarts right where it left off. It even has auto boost to the max mode when moving from a hard floor to a carpet. The Tapo RV10 Plus comes with drop sensing technology to avoid falling downstairs and ledges. So guys, I've got TP Link's Tapo RV10 Plus for around 2 weeks now and I haven't had to empty the dustbin yet. It does vacuuming, it does mopping, it auto-detects carpets. So what are you guys waiting for? This will be a great addition for you guys at home. Get it now!